folks, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. I am in the Syringa House, located off of Rio Vista, and we're going to do a quick video tutorial on the television in the living room. And so we're going to power on the system. I hit the TV button right up here, and so now the activation, the TV started. I can see that the blue light went on the television. It's pretty straightforward, fairly easy to use this particular setup, and you only have the Cable One system. All you're going to be able to do is just go up and down on the channels, adjust the volume. There is no DVD or anything else that is accessible with this specific television that's here. And so if you've got any further questions, if something's not functioning, oh my gosh, look at how young Tom Hanks is. Holy moly. Anyway, if you've got any further questions regarding the operation of the living room television at the Syringa House, you can reach out to us. My name is Joe Hill. The phone number in the office is 208-634-0030. Hope all is well. Cheers.